Alright, the stock market is on fire today. We see the SPY, QQQ, and even the Dow Jones Index breaking through important resistance points, leaving their support levels behind, entering bullish territory again. So in this video, we will analyze how reliable this rally is and what to expect next from our stocks. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, and here in this channel, there is no such thing as gut feeling. There are no assumptions, there is no guesswork. Here, we only talk about technical analysis, price action, statistics, and of course, facts. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Now, as we can see here, SPY is breaking through a very important resistance level, a dual resistance level, the $539.43 and the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart over here. By breaking through this dual resistance level, SPY enters bullish territory again. It is in bullish territory. I'm not saying it is in a bull trend yet, because so far we have been doing lower highs, lower lows. If we see a top signal materialized around this area, it could be a very dangerous signal for SPY, a very bearish one. So far there is no top signal. However, what's the most important key point for us to watch right now? The 539, the previous resistance level, which is acting as a support level right now, along with the 21 EMA on the daily chart as well, because this dual resistance level is now a future dual support level. If we make a very bearish reaction closing below this key point over here, alright, it could frustrate the bullish sentiment over here. It could totally destroy this rally, and in this scenario, SPY would retest lower resistance levels. It could even seek the 518 down here again. So therefore, this is the most important support level for us to watch right now, right below the gap resistance. Guys, there are three open gaps over here. The last gap was a classic exhaustion gap. What is an exhaustion gap? Well, as the name suggests, this one indicates exhaustion. It usually appears after the bearish sentiment has already materialized near a crystal clear support level, in this case the $510 over here, and then this gap is quickly filled. It is quickly closed 1 or 2 days after the gap was materialized. Therefore, classic exhaustion gap. Right now the trend, the short-term trend is bullish, but if we see a top signal, we could correct to lower levels again, and in this case, remember the 518 is a technical support level for SPY. Similarly, we see the QQQ also trading above the 21 EMA, above the previous gap resistance level over here. It is making a bearish reaction today. It is a bearish candlestick pattern. It is not a crystal clear top signal yet. We don't see top signals on SPY or QQQ yet. It could be tomorrow if we lose the $555 again. And how this is gonna affect our stocks? Well, we see a quite problematic situation among the Magnificent 7 stocks over here, because 3 of them are on green territory and the rest of them are on red territory today, especially Google and Tesla, which we're gonna talk about later. When we take a look at Nvidia, we see Nvidia extremely bullish. It is right now above the 21 EMA. It has materialized a crystal clear bullish pivot point over here, right around the $107 bullish pivot point. Now we are not only in bullish territory, but we are in a medium-term bull trend as well, which is quite interesting because the indices are not in a bull trend yet. SPY, QQQ, they are still not there yet, but Nvidia is looking very good right now. So Nathan, do you think Nvidia is a very good buy right now at this moment? Well, it depends on your strategy. All right, to me, I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys, to me, not in my humble opinion, because I like a good risk-reward ratio. Remember, buy near support levels, sell near resistance levels. Right now, at the moment, I'm a little bit lost about it, all right? I don't see a good risk-reward ratio on Nvidia. A good buy was, well, in the last bottom over here, and in fact Nvidia was one of the stocks we recommended to our members in the 5% project. The last buy was here on this bottom signal, on this clear bottom signal, and right now it is up more than 12% in just 1 week. So come on, just join us over there, boost your performance and learn how to trade like a pro. The link to our website is in the video's description. Now, since we are almost near our target, my personal target at $120 over here, now we are thinking about selling, all right? Sell near resistance level, buy near support levels. When everybody's in panic over here, you buy. Sell when everybody starts talking about buying. All right, so this is my humble opinion. All right, you may think differently, you may have a different strategy, and you know, if this strategy works for you, great, phenomenal, I'm very happy for you. But to me, Nvidia is not a good buy at the moment, but it is in bullish territory. It is performing very well. Maybe it is gonna break my personal target, maybe we're gonna seek the all-time high next. Who knows? We don't need to know, because trading is reactive, not predictive, right? We can't predict the future. We can only react to what we see at the moment. And right now, that's okay. The situation is totally under control. There is no top signal. If we see a top signal over here, great. We are gonna just sell Nvidia, all right? Now, Tesla is in a more complicated situation, because it is not only dropping a lot, it is not only in bearish territory, it's still in bearish territory, but we are trying to frustrate the previous bullish reaction over here. Yesterday, we made a very nice bullish candlestick pattern, breaking many important resistance levels, short and mid-term speaking, and right now, we are making a very ugly bearish reaction. It resembles a bearish Harami candlestick pattern right below the $206, below the 21 EMA on the daily chart over here. Therefore, this could be a classic top signal. It was not triggered yet, maybe it will tomorrow, but if we don't break the 206 as soon as possible again and close above this key point, Tesla could materialize another correction. It could drop to lower levels. The first technical support, $182. If we break and close above the 206, great. I believe we're gonna seek higher resistance levels, but right now we gotta pay extra attention around this resistance level. 206 is our main nemesis right here, right now. Now, AMD is looking very interesting, because it is right now trading around the 21 EMA on the daily chart, very close to the $143. The previous support level over here multiple times. Now it is supposed to act as a resistance level for us. So therefore, AMD is near a dual resistance level. Only by breaking this key point, AMD will not only enter bullish territory again, but it would confirm a very nice bullish rally to the next resistance levels. The first one is at 152. The next one is the open gap at 174. So let's see how AMD is going to behave right now that it has reached a very important resistance level. Meanwhile, we see Palantir. Palantir looks extremely interesting, because we are breaking a quite important resistance level. 29.29 was the previous main resistance level on the weekly chart. Right now, we are closing this open gap over here. 31.34. We are closing this gap today. Therefore, this is a critical resistance level for AMD. If we see a pullback, let's not panic, alright? Because that's totally normal, that's totally expected. Any pullback to the 21 EMA on the daily chart would be natural. In fact, it could be just another buying opportunity. Remember, buy near support levels. When we approach resistance levels, you start to sell. So let's see how Palantir is going to behave in the next few days. Let's see if we'll see a top signal materialized or not. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this channel every single day. So if you're still watching me and you are not a subscriber, come on, subscribe. It is too late for you. You did like the video, my friend, so come on, subscribe, because if you don't, you're gonna miss my future analysis. And here, as I told you, we are completely unbiased. We focus on technique, we talk about strategy. Therefore, consider subscribing, click the like button to support me as well, and remember, if you wanna boost your performance, join the 5% project, link in the video's description. Thank you very much, see you guys tomorrow.